Hello, friends. Welcome to a very easy English story for beginners. Today's story is called The Happy Little Rabbit. Are you ready? Let's start. Tom is a little rabbit. He has white fur and big eyes. Tom is very shy. He feels sad. He sits alone under a tree every day. One day Tom sees a small bird. The bird falls from the nest. "Oh no," says Tom. His voice is soft. The bird cries, "Help! I am scared." Tom looks left. He looks right. His heart beats fast. He feels afraid. But he says, "I can help you." Tom jumps high. He puts the bird back in the nest. The bird smiles. "Thank you, Tom." The bird's mother comes. She smiles too. "You are very kind," she says. Tom feels warm in his heart. He is not sad now. He is happy. From that day Tom plays with the birds. He has many friends. The moral is, helping others makes you happy. Now let's learn some words. Shy means feels afraid to talk. Sad means not happy. Scared means very afraid. Kind means good to others. Happy means feels good. Help means do something good for someone. Great job listening, friends. You can repeat the story with me if you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Easy English story. Bye bye.